Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to reverse audio in CapCut PC. So let's get started. So if you want to reverse audio in CapCut PC, now to do that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, what you can do is just simply open up your CapCut, and after opening up your CapCut, now unfortunately we can't reverse our audio, but we can use a trick. So we can reverse our video, and while reversing our video we can also reverse our audio and then extract the audio after reversing it. So what I'll do is just simply export a random image, and after exporting it just simply increase the size according to the audio. After resizing this image, now what I can do is just simply drag and multi-select this to image and audio, and after doing that now I can just simply right click on it and then tap on create compound clip. And after creating a compound clip, now what I can do is just simply again tap on it, and after creating a compound clip, now what you can do is just simply tap on this edit option and then tap on reverse, and after tapping on reverse, now it will reverse your video with your audio. So after reversing it, now what you can do is just simply again right click on it and then tap on extract audio and then delete this image. And after deleting it, now your audio has been successfully reversed. Now what you can do is just simply go ahead and then export it, and after exporting your audio it will be reversed. So that's it guys, this is how to reverse audio in CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.